Chapter 6 My Country, India. Core Value. India is a big country. It has people of different languages, different food habits, and different religions. Unity in diversity is one of our important features. We feel proud to be Indian. We should love our country. Let's read.
I am Simran Kaur from Punjab. My language is Punjabi. I am an Indian. I love my country, India. I am Anandi Patel from Gujarat. My language is Gujarati. I am an Indian. I love my country, India.
I am Mahesh Gowda from Karnataka. My language is Kannada. I am an Indian. I love my country, India. I am Ashok Patnaik from Odisha. My language is Oriya. I am an Indian. I love my country, India. We all live in India and we all are Indians. India is a very big country. There are mountains, rivers and deep forests in India. India has some of the most beautiful monuments like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Charminar, Gateway of India, etc. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Our national flag is tricolor, Tiranga, as it has three colors, saffron, white and green. Tiranga has a blue wheel in the center. Our national anthem is Jana-Gana-Mana. Our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. You know now. India is a big and diverse country. There is unity and diversity. In India, all people live like a family. New Delhi is the capital of India. Tricolor is our national flag. Our national anthem is Jana-Gana-Mana. Word treasure. Indian. People of India. Monuments. Buildings of historical importance.
Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.